Tulikuwa tunashuhudia hivi. Direct.
Kwenye mwari. Na mbio. Na pikipiki. Hadi hapa. Sasa kufika kwa lami hapa nilikuwa nampigia on.
Amekuwa amesahau.
Steal the bag. Someone steal our bag. We don't know why. We have a passport. The bag.
Ona, wewe jana ulipita jioni kutoka huko. Uliingia kwa barabara hadi gari ingine ikakufuata.
No.
Sai tena umefanya hivyo. Wewe.
My bag. What's your name? No. Hey, well, yes.
What's your name? You still our wives here. Why you making noise here? Let's check it.
In the back. Yes, in the back.
So your bag is there.
Oh, go.
Don't worry.
No, we have to check. We worry. Come on, protect us.
Go there and check with the officer there.
Your office?
Yeah. With the officer there. Man, you don't drive when you drunk. Don't drive when you drunk.
Your bag is there, bana. Hey.
Polisi ya utubage toke katetea.
Na walikuwa wanaepa, wamegonga mtu huko nyuma.
Boss.
Your bag is there.
No.